Okay, okay, manje sizobheka iphathi ekuthiwa sizobheka iphathi ekuthiwa i-order block variations. Sizobheka manje i-order block variations. Yeah, sizobheka i-order block variations. Okay, kwi-order block variations sizobheka ama-candlestick noma ama-movement yokuqala expectationally order flow expectationally order flow, sibe ne-full body candle. Sobheka ya i-expectational order flow we-full body candlestick mase siba inside bar, then sibe ne-range. Then sibe ne-range, ilokhu esizokhava manje. Okay. Siqala nge-expectationally order flow. Okay, we-expectationally order flow. Into esiyibheka kakhulu sisuke sifuna ama-movement enzeka by u-50% movement. Angazi vele ngizoyi-explain kanjani, but sisuke sisentweni ekanje. If i-market imuva kanje, then ithatha i-downtrend, and then iphinde imuve up, then iphinde ithathe i-downtrend, and then iphinde imuve up, and then bese ithatha another downtrend. Okusho ukuthi sisuke sifuna bani? Ukusela. So la isuke i-market ihamba yenza ama-50% sell, iphinde nala yenze another 50% sell, nala yenze another 50% sell. Expectationally expectationally order flow ngizokwenza i-video cause idinga i-chart i-chart ukuthi okay uyispotha kanjani i-expectational order flow. Kahle kahle zonke lezi zinto lezi nje zidinga i-chart. So la ngisayi-break ukuthi okay uzoyibona kanjani, cause if kwenzeka futhi u-buy izokwenza one and the same thing, cause le i-sell movement le ye-expectational order flow. Then la mese sizoba ne-buy. I-buy futhi izokwenzeka kanjani? I-market izofika inyuke, then ebese yenzani yenza i-reversal, and then ifuna ukunyuka nathi, and then iphinde yenze i-reversal, and then iphinde inyuke kanjalo yenze i-reversal until zithathe i-direction. Okusho ukuthi izohambe ishiya ama-50%, iphinde nala futhi ishiye another 50%, again futhi ishiye another 50%. Yeah, izoshiya another 50%, and then mese ithatha i-direction ya-buy, la isuke ithatha i-direction ya-sell. So sazoyi-break-a kwi-chat lezi zinto ukuthi ngisafuna uqale senze i-note, senze i-note lazo. Okay, then bese siba no-number 2 okuyi-full body, okuyi-full body, i-full body candle, i-full body candle, i-full body candlestick, i-candlestick le esuke ingenawo ama-wick. I-definition yala ungathi it's a candle, it's a candle that do not have wicks. Yeah, ungayibeka kanje. I-full body, it's a candlestick that do not have any ama-wick. Okay, kwi-full body mhlampe khona kusuke mhlampe kuyi-movement eyenzeke kanje. Let's say mhlampe i-market yethu iyanyuka la. Okay, iyanyuka. If inyuka then izobe isithatha a-downtrend, which is la izofike i-rage, then la ebese i-create-a something like this, then la ebese i-create something like this, ebese i-create amakhandlela kanje, and then ebese isinika a-one long candlestick, bese sinika a-one long candlestick. Okusho ukuthi la sisuke sithagethe i-BOS, i-break of structure, okuyi-break of structure yethu le. Sisuke sifuna into ekanje la, because kuyenzeka uthole ukuthi then sifuna eyabani, eyasell. If usifuna eyasell, then sizoba nento ethi kanje, i-market rage kanje, then ithathe an uptrend, then ebese iya-range, and then ebese isinika ama-sell candlestick akanje, and then ebese isinika a-long sell. Okusho ukuthi la sisuke sifake i-BOS yethu okuyi-break of structure, because la sisuke sifunani, sisuke sifuna u-sell, la sisuke sifuna u-buy. Angazi-ke noma sisayibambile nisonke, but if mhlampe kukhona la eyigeja khona usuyongisendela i-message-ke noma ubuze khona la egrupini. Okay, sijampe siye siye kwi-logos, kwi-inside bar, number 3 wethu okuyi-inside bar. Inside bar, i-inside bar yona siyibiza like definition yakhona, ungasho ukuthi i-range yama-smaller time frame, ile suke kwenzeka khona izinto kuma-smaller time frame. So i-definition yakho ngathi nje it's a range on a small time frame. it's a range, range on a small time, on a small time frame, this is lesuke kwenzeka khona ini i-range. So i-range ikhona yilo i-indicator, i-indicator leyo siyibiza ngani nge-Hovius V2, iyona esikwaziyo ukubona amalo, iyona esikhombisayo ngathini, iyona esikhombisa ama-order block ane-range, ama-candlestick njalo ane-range. So sisebenzisa le indicator-ke le ekuyi-Hovius. So i-inside bar, it's a range on a small time frame. Then ama-predictable movement e-range siyaba hlampe nento ekanje, then ebese creator i-inside bar candlestick la, then bese siyithatha in direction here, then bese iphinde futhi ibuye izokhava, izokhava le candlestick lela, iphinde ibuye futhi i-create another candlestick la. And then isuke isimakhe ngani nge-BOS, i-BOS nanga sazoyichaza indaba yayo. Then ebese sizoba ne-range uqobo lwayo, i-range-ke uqobo lwe-range layo ukuthi yona-ke range vele it's when market's ranging, it's when market's ranging, it's when markets ranging or moving, movement in the same velocity. Le khona i-market isuke i-range, ayithole ne-markets ranging or moving on the same velocity. Masithi i-market isuke i-range, sisuke si-refer kwinto ekanje. Okay, let's say here sisuke sinento ekanje, masithi i-market ikwi-ranging process, ila usuke khona ungeke ukwazi ukuthatha i-trade because isuke i-run-a kwi-loss, iphinde i-run-e kwi-profit, i-run-e kwi-loss, iphinde i-run-e kwi-profit. This is where i-market isuke i-range. So cela ukuthi siyibambe la sisa-break-a lama-notes. Ya, cela ukuthi siyibambe la sisa-break-a lama-notes. Siphinde cela ukuthi siyibambe la for now. Then after here sizobe sesimuva kwilokhuza, kwi-market structure, i-market structure, inside strong and weak, break of structures, check nama-order flow. After la sobe sesiya i-market structure, bese ngicela siyibambe lawa manje.